Hello and welcome to How to IT. I'm Belle and I'll be taking you through this unboxing video today. Today we're unboxing the Microsoft Surface Duo 2 along with the bumper case for it. Let's quickly first look at the box. Looks pretty nice and neat and clean. Now this phone runs Android. Let's get started. The little pull tab is nice. Don't need no scissors. Oh, it's really stuck. Like really stuck. Hang on. Nope. There we go. Okay. Okay, it's coming now. It was really stuck. And there we have it. Oh, opens right to the phone. That's lovely. And there's a nice little pull tab for the phone as well. The phone feels good. It's got a bit of weight to it, but not like overly heavy. Feels good in the hand so far. We'll put that to the side and see what else is in the box. This first packet is probably paperwork. Oh, it's got a little SIM tool. Just information about how to use the device. Your normal standard documentation. Oh, yep. Where things are on the device. How to change your SIM card. Okay. That's about it. I'll put that back in. And this one is the charging cable, I'm pretty sure. Yep. So we've got USB-C to USB-C charging cable. No power brick in the box like many new smartphones these days. I know personally I've got a whole heap laying around, so don't really need another one. So yeah, that is what is in the box. And that's it. That's in the box. Alright, I'll put this to the side. And now onto the phone. So the pull tab is very nice. I have to open the phone. First opening. Very nice. Oh, it feels very nice. I can see this phone being a fingerprint magnet. And you can see me. Hello. Yeah. It's very nice. It closes nicely. The hinge is phenomenal. So we'll just have a quick review of where things are. So that's the USB-C charging port. That's where the SIM card holder is. On the side there's the power button with inbuilt fingerprint reader and the 2 sound speaker rockers. It looks very nice. Then we got 1 studio speaker here. If my camera focuses, there we go. And then we got the other studio speaker here and the microphone for calls next to it. Closing the device, we've got the camera. I know the camera bump isn't desirable, but you know. So I'm going to put my SIM card in. Pretty easy taking it out. SIM card tray. And there we go. SIM card is in. I'm excited. And let's turn it on. Oh, we have a Windows logo. That's a good sign. Now, as I said, this does run Android. So it doesn't have Microsoft Windows for phone. And I guess we'll start the setup process. I'll get rid of that too. Text Central doesn't actually work anymore. Oh, set up internet connection. And now we're on to updating. So I think there's 3 substantial updates for the phone. While it's updating, I might unbox the bumpers. So this is the official Microsoft bumpers for the Surface Duo 2. Because this phone can spin all the way around, it can't really use a normal case. So they've designed these special bumpers. There's a nice tab for easy unboxing. I won't be putting these bumpers on today. I'm waiting for a D brand skin, so as soon as that comes, these will go on. Oh, and it even shows you, oh, okay. Oh, that's easy. So you put that one on that side and those 2 on the other side. So that's pretty cool. Well, the phone is still updating, so I might leave the video here. First impressions, it feels great to hold. And I'll be doing a video after 1 week with the device and see what I think after that. So thanks for watching.